Welcome to Kolie's Best Tips, and I'm here to do an unboxing for the Sawyer's Path Tarot deck. So let's get started and see what we got. Let me just open this here. So it has a little box that it comes in. Doesn't look like it has a booklet, so it's pretty much just the cards. Okay. Here's the back of the deck. So they are thin. They are thin. Okay, so let's start with the Fool. I can tell these going to be a little slippery because they're new. They look like little playful, vibrant colors of the deck. Colors in the deck, and then the Fool. That's pretty. I didn't just really take a look at that. Okay. High Priestess. Empress. They don't have the name of the card like at the bottom like most cards do. They have the number symbol. And that's the Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. That's pretty. The Chariot. Strength. Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hangman. Death. Temperance. This is the Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. I like those. There. The animals. Yeah, these are a bit slippery. The Sun. They do feel glossy. Yeah, these are glossy. Judgment. The World. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. And I will put the description, well, the link to the description in the box. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. Page of Wands. I got this deck on Etsy. No, it wasn't on Etsy. I forget where I purchased this from, but I will put the link down below in the description box for you guys. King of Wands. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Looks kind of cute. Those are lovely. I like those. The flowers on the cups. And the moon's there. 4 of cups. 5 of cups. It's like these cards will be easy to use because it's just like the pictures are just right there. Everything is right there. It's slippery. Okay. You're gonna stay there. 6 of cups. 7 of cups. 8 of cups. 9 of cups. Mermaid. 10 of cups. That's pretty. It's like they're in a circle of clouds. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. That's cute with those sand castles. That's cute. Three of Pentacles. And that's 4 of Pentacles. Looks like she has a smirk on her face. Like, this is all mine. 5 of Pentacles. Oh, that's cute. 6 of Pentacles. With the scales and the pentacles falling out. I would suggest pentacles even though they're there. They're like little nuts, more like, but it's kind of saying pentacles because it's money. So 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. And that smirk again. 9 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. Now that's gorgeous. That's really pretty. Two of Pentacles. I'm sorry, Two of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Stay. Four of Swords. That's gorgeous as well. With the clouds again around her. Getting her beauty rest. Five of Swords. Slipping again. Six of Swords. The sun is coming out. And those clouds again. She's headed in a new direction. Looks like she's headed home. Has a smile on her face. And seven of Swords. He looks happy sneaking, being sneaky. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. Ten of Swords. Wow, she has one in her ear. You guys see that? Wow, that's different. Right in her back all the way. Yeah, that would be a good interpretation. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. She's beautiful. That's a gorgeous Queen of Swords. And a King of Swords. That's beautiful too. And again, the back of the cards. As I say, they're thin and flimsy, but they will do. But this is a good deck. Looks like I'm gonna love this one. Let's see. I wish it came with a book. Would be nice. But overall, I love the deck. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. You're welcome here at any time. But thanks again, you guys. See you later.